Hi guys, here is a little update on the actual project here that we're doing. So we're trying to, we know that all of this moves and all of that now, but we're trying to have a visual. So what we did here is we built a little graphic so that we can actually see the value of the potentiometer moving the servo. So I'm going to show you a little bit how it works. So I'm moving the pot here, and then that little needle here that I designed is actually going to go. So as you can see here, a little bit closer, I made it to be the pitch angle. And so this is set to follow the potentiometer, and the potentiometer is set to follow the pitch angle that we want. So at the end of the day, we have the pitch angle. So here it is. I'm now moving the servo, and the actual servo rotates. And now I'm going to be moving again the potentiometer, and as you can see, our potentiometer is actuating also the OLED screen. So yeah, that's it. Now all we need to do is put a little logo on the start of this, and we're going to have a nice little display to display all the things that we want. So that's the display one, which is the pitch of a camera, but we're going to be doing a bunch of other things, so stay tuned, and you know what to do. Please like, subscribe, do whatever you got to do to make this channel grow. Thank you so much, guys. All the best.